Welcome to currentcompliance.org, an online database of compliance information focusing on drug testing laws, workers' compensation, unemployment compensation, marijuana laws, and more. Today we're going to take a quick stroll through this powerful new compliance toolbox. This is the Welcome page. Here you can navigate to the three main sections of current compliance drug testing: the State Summaries page, the Single Issues page, or the Search page. Use the icons on the page or the tabs above. Let's start with State Summary. Use the interactive map or the list of states and municipalities to select a summary. Let's start with Alabama. This is the summary page for Alabama. At the top you'll see the state name and the state disposition. Green flag means go, yellow flag means caution. In this case, Alabama has a yellow flag. This means that there are some important drug testing and other requirements to remain compliant in this state. These are the different law types in Alabama: drug testing, marijuana, and workers and unemployment compensation. Scroll down the page to see a brief summary of each law type as it refers to drug testing, alcohol testing, and basic laboratory requirements. Or click on a law type to see the full details for a given law. You will see over 140 lines of analysis for every law type, from policy issues to testing procedures and outcomes. Sometimes, a law does not address a given area of focus or focus detail. Click Hide Not Mentioned to cut down this analysis to only those points addressed by the law directly. Let's move on to Single Issues. This is a curated list of issues that directly apply to drug testing, compared across all states and municipalities. Let's look at random testing. Here we see that random testing is permitted in Alabama, and the law does not make any mention of needing a collective bargaining agreement, restricting random testing to safety-sensitive employees, or selection methods. Let's add in workers' compensation just to compare. In our first three states, workers' compensation doesn't add any additional requirements or restrictions to random testing. This is good to know. Let's move on to the Search page. This is an entirely new feature that the Current Consulting Group has never offered its database subscribers in the past. Select any combination of states, for example, Alabama through California, and click Add Item, or the plus sign. Select law type, for example, drug testing, and an area of focus or focus detail, or even a keyword. Here we'll use the keyword laboratory, and click Search. The search pulls up any information on laboratory certification or laboratory storage of specimen because we use the keyword laboratory. This is interesting, so I'm going to save the search for later. I'll call it ALCA Lab and click Save My Search. And now it's saved. Well, there you have it. The new Current Compliance drug testing brought to you by the Current Consulting Group. To learn more, visit currentcompliance.org.